Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, and baby Michelle, alright, you remember that, is not suitable for advertising. It fits in the category of all the bad things that are not suitable for advertising. So, yet another one. And that one wasn't suitable at the time, and that one passed, and that one wasn't suitable at the time. So, it's getting harder and harder for me. But I'm not here to complain. I'm here to tell you what's going forward. YouTube is going to be making a lot of changes here in the next month. And a lot of you with smaller channels have received emails, it's the talk of the town now, from YouTube talking about how they're going to demonetize our channels and take away all partner privileges, including my electronics channel for now. They haven't yet told me anything about the tactical channel, but the electronics channel is going to lose all privileges and all partner and monetization. And I worked for a year on that to get to where I am, and a lot of you have worked very hard to get your channels where they are. So moving forward, I have a lot of electronics videos that I'm doing, and they're on hold because the end of the monetization for my channel is on February 20th. And funny enough, that's 2 days before the payout, which means I won't get any payout for that month. They will shut you down, and I don't believe you get any more payment after that. I find it interesting that it's 2 days before payment cutoff date, but anyway, it is how it is. So I'm working on my own, since they don't want me here with the electronics channel, I'm working on my own. And I will let you know when it's ready. I just wanted to give you this brief update, and not being negative, I've just been trying to figure out how to move forward. I am going to start using Patreon again heavily for everything I do. You don't have to go there if you don't want to, but I'm going to use it for search engine optimization, meaning every single thing I write anywhere on the internet I will link onto my Patreon account. Now, if you would like to go there and view everything in one neat and tidy, organized place, rather than going all over the internet following me around, that's great. You can go ahead and, it's $1 a month, which is nothing at all. I will continue putting videos on YouTube, but it's very limited. So you might notice that I'm not getting as much out there as I'd like to. And you may notice that I release a video and then it goes private for a while, for about 24 to 48 hours, until they take away the orange sign and turn it green for me again. And then I make it public again. And that's how we're going to be moving forward. And somebody sent me a link in the comments of a guy that has 1.4 million subscribers, and he's having the exact same problem as me, and he said he's doing the exact same thing as I am. He'll release a video, they'll block it from advertising, he'll make it private, he'll wait the 24 to 48 hours for them to review it, review requested, and then when it's reviewed, he'll make it live again, as I did on this video, for example. And so I'm not doing anything different from anybody, from the biggest to the smallest. We're all going through this together. So moving forward, the electronics channel is sadly probably not going to make the cutoff by the February 20th. I highly doubt it's going to make the cutoff, and I'm not, I have no desire to waste my time. So you can check out the Patreon site and follow through when I'm ready and I start getting the videos done on my own electronics site, my own electronics video channel. Then you can check that out. And I'll let you know when I'm ready to release that to the public. I've been mentioning that for a month or so now, and I'm really working on it really, really long and hard hours. So, that's it, guys. I'm just going to get this over to you for an update and let you know brief update of what's going on. Again, I'm not negative, I'm just moving forward. This is life now, this is YouTube, this is how it is, and this is what I have to deal with, and this is just a fact of life now, and I'm just trying to figure a way to move on. That's it. So, it was a beautiful sunny day today. I did not have the camera in my hand, but we cleaned up a lot in the yard, and took advantage of the beautiful weather. And I got new headlight bulbs in my car, although the headlight thing itself is, the light assembly is destroyed. And I noticed there was some body damage because I can't get the headlight assembly out. So it's going to have to be rebent into position so I can get the old assembly out and put a new one in later. But I've got headlights on the car. That is a good thing. So, that's it, guys. Tonight, for now, I'm going to get this to you guys. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Let's see if this video makes the cut. See you later.